I want to say a big up to Ship Quicker and thank you. The service was amazing. 24-hour customer service. So when I called at midnight, I got through. Not to mention that they put all your packages together as one. So you only get one tracking number when you're dealing with Ship Quicker. My favorite part about using Ship Quicker is they deliver and I got to pay online. So I don't have to worry about having cash or leaving home to go and pick up. Big shout out to Ship Quicker. Next thing, why I am in love with Ship Quicker. If you don't check your text messages, they send you an email. So that's 2 alerts. Get a message and you get an email about your package. They do real life tracking. Imagine knowing exactly where your package is. So you don't have to be up and down, flustered, wondering what's next, what package coming first, what package coming second. They put all your packages together and you get one tracking number and you do real life tracking. So go on over and follow Ship Quicker and make sure you ship with them. I'm not shipping with anyone else. Why waste my time when I can ship quicker?